This set of metallic markers was gifted to me from the brand, and I'm excited about them because I haven't used metallic markers in a hot minute, and I want to see how well these work. Now, they work best on dark paper, but you can use them on light paper too. And one key thing before I forget, always store them horizontally when not in use, because they are both brush tip and fine tip. Yeah, brush tip and fine tip. So you want to store them horizontally. But let's get into the fun stuff. Let's see how well they work. I got a piece of black paper right here. All right, so they come in 30 colors. You can see here, I was testing out a few. We've got the brush tip and the fine tip. So the brush tip is going to allow you to kind of have a little bit, you can go fine and then a little thicker. So your normal brush tip type of pen, and then your fine tip is what you're going to want to use to write with. So see, like that, that's super fun. They're very smooth, like it just glides across the paper. So it's very smooth to use, and the colors are really popping against the black. Now, you can use these on white paper. It's just going to be a very different color, because you see how you can see the metallic and the color underneath with these. So let's grab a piece of white paper and see how it looks with that. All right, I just grabbed some plain white lined paper for this. So yeah, I mean, obviously it's going to show up, but it's going to look very different. We're going to use the so yeah, still equally as pretty, right? It's just going to look slightly different in color. But you can use this to design cards and all sorts of things, journaling, scrapbooking, cards, and you can use the dark paper or you can use white paper. It's going to look stunning on either, but they write really nice and smooth, and the ink flows great. Lots of creative processes that you can come up with for these. So yeah, it just they flow really nice. The metallic definitely shows up more on the dark paper than the light, but still so pretty. Okay. So I hope this review helps, gives you an idea of what these pens are capable of. Like I said, there's 30 colors. There's a lot here. The fine tip and the brush tip. And again, store horizontally.